Looking for beachfront land on Camotes Island? This 10,347 square meters cliffside property offers panoramic ocean views, a 75 meters wide beachfront, and a 4-meter high cliff. Now priced at 13.4 million pesos, which is approximately $236,000. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise. The land features a mix of flat and gently sloping terrain, surrounded by mature trees and fruit-bearing mangoes, Spanish plum, coconuts, and bananas. There's a temporary stairway for water access, and the beachfront is ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and water sports. It's close to electricity and water lines, and conveniently located along the road. This land is perfect for a resort, a subdivision of houses, or a private home. Just 7 minutes from San Francisco town, where you'll find farmers market, banks, hospital, college school, and daily essentials. It is also 15 minutes to Poro Port and 25 minutes to Consuelo Port. Don't miss this rare chance to invest in one of Camotes Island's most stunning beachfront properties. Contact us today to schedule a viewing. To discover the beauty of the Camotes Islands, click the link in the description below.